दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। A large scale acquisition of agricultural and land of farmers of different villages of Greater Noida and Noida in the name of planned industrial development is the subject matter of challenge in these 471 writ petitions. These writ petitions have been placed before this full bench under orders of Honorable the Chief Justice dated 6th August 2011 on a reference made by a division and other connected matters. Writ petition number 374 of 2011 challenges the notifications issued under Section 4 read with Section 17 of Land Acquisition Act and another notification by which declaration was made for acquisition of 600 hectares land of village Patwari. Similar notifications under Section 4 read with Section 17 and Section 6 of the Land Acquisition Act were issued with regard to different villages. Several writ petitions were filed challenging the land acquisition, which writ petitions came for hearing before the division bench. One of the submissions made before the division bench was that the state had wrongly invoked the provisions of Section 17 of the Land Acquisition Act, hereinafter referred to as Act, and the right of objection under Section 5A was wrongly dispensed with. Hence, the entire acquisition proceedings deserved to be set aside. The petitioners placed reliance on a division bench judgment of this court passed in writ petition number 170 of 2009, Harkaran Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others, in which judgment the division bench of this court held that invocation of the provisions of Section 17 of the Act was not justified, and relying on the judgment of the apex court in different case against State of Uttar Pradesh reported in 2011 Supreme Court cases 533 and judgment of the apex court in Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority case quashed the notification. Learned Counsel for the state refuting the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the petitioners relied on another division bench judgment of this court dated 25th November 2008 in writ petition number 457 of 2008, in which judgment invocation of Section 17 was upheld and the writ petition was dismissed, in which same notifications were under challenge. Faced with large number of writ petitions challenging the land acquisition by farmers of different villages of Greater Noida, and noticing two conflicting views expressed by two different division benches on the same notifications, we heard Learned Counsel for the parties. In some writ petitions, the allottees or builders who received the allotment letter by the Greater Noida hereinafter referred to as authority were impleaded, and several applications for impleadment were filed by various allottees or builders. We, after hearing Learned Counsel for the parties by our order, allowed Learned Counsel for the state, Learned Counsel for the authority and other parties to file their affidavits. Various applications were filed for intervention along with affidavits which were taken on record, and we heard Learned Counsel for the petitioners, Learned Counsel for the state, Learned Counsel for the authority and Learned Counsel for the interveners. The hearing was completed on 30th September 2011. Along with the main writ petition, there are writ petitions challenging various similar notifications issued under Section 4, read with Sections 17 and Section 6 regarding 41 villages of Greater Noida and Noida. In main writ petition, counter affidavits, supplementary counter affidavits have been filed both by the state as well as by the authority. Counter affidavits by private respondents as well as the intervention applications along with affidavits by several interveners have also been filed. Pleadings being complete in writ petition number 374 of 2011, the said writ petition is being treated as main writ petition. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे बहुत अच्छे से लिखा होगा। 120 WPM पर इसी मैटर को मैंने डिक्टेट कर दिया है और ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड कर दिया है, बट वो पेड कोर्स है, तो अगर आप उसको करना चाहते हैं तो आप वो पेड कोर्स ले सकते हैं। आपसे मुलाकात करूंगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।